Hi all, today come with me to make a 1-minute cookie recipe for me and my mommy. Let's add some butter. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Into this, let's add some baking powder and baking soda. Let's add a pinch of salt. Now it's time to add some brown sugar. Let's add a dash of milk. Add some vanilla extract to it. Now you can add any nuts and chocolates as you wish. I added walnuts and dark chocolate and milk chocolate. Combine everything together with your hands until it forms a dough. Roll it to a ball and flatten it to make a disc. Now let's microwave it for 1 minute and 10 seconds. Oh, the cookies are ready and it was so tasty. It was yum in my tongue, and don't forget to subscribe.